Exit dive, Subaru. What? Are you fucking oblivious? Well, you're a Florida plate, yeah. That was a little close. I think so. Yep. Trucker thought so too. That's a yield, Mr. Rowdy. Hello? 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 Oh, Jesus. Thanks, lady. Really. Thanks a lot. Green arrow, go. Green arrow. You had the green arrow. You asshat. Going on back here. We got bikers. Oh boy, here they come. Let's see. It's a 55-mile-an-hour speed limit. I'm doing 70. Yeah! Oh, you're gonna get some nasty road rash, and so will you if you crash. And I'll cry. I'll cry so hard. Well, just keep staring at me. White trash, white trash. Go. Let's go, let's go. That's a lovely piece of crap furniture. You're not taking a left from the right. You're taking a right from the left lane, are you? Yes, you are. Yeah. Left from the middle lane. Oh my god. Toyo turd.
And Providence Plantations when it declared statehood in 1790.
No.
Reopening in Massachusetts, and we'll tell you what. Retail stores also reopened.
Yeah. Really got you fired. What the? Jesus. Asshole. Corolla around the red light. No turning red, dear. No, turning red. No, red.
Cut off of supply flash. That's 1-800-426-2824. For this limited time discount, call 1-800-426-2824.
You ever think of looking? And it's a red light runner. Shit. Wrong lane. Nice. Please go direct to the left lane. It looks like a Toyota. It's a Corolla. So before I even get home to check the video, I'm going to say, yeah, you enter to the left lane. Because Toyota. That's a red light runner. Wow! What a freaking asshole you are. Where are you from? Masshole. Chippa. You're just Chippa. Oh, shut up. Hey. Jesus Christ. Nice. Walmart dive. Yep, you're not passing. Ha. Jesus. Asshole. Signal before you turn, you shithead. Signal before you exit dive, you shithead. Signal before you exit dive, you shithead. What's this turd in the Land Rover doing? Get off my ass. Get the fuck off my ass. What is your friggin' problem? You're in the red. I think you're in the red. Get off my butt! Get off my butt! This is not the time, not the place, not the weather. Get off my butt. Thank you, Volvo. Thank you a lot. Thank you so much. And screw you, little princess. Put down the friggin' phone. This one looks like an exit diver. There he goes, as predicted. And brake checks, nice. Nice. Way! Whoa! Jesus Christ. Idiot. Are you invisible, Mr. Lincoln? Am I invisible, Mr. freaking Silverado? Jesus Christ. I don't think that's a parking space. What was that for? 2-lane exit! Hey, I'm not coming. Fucking asshole. Yeah, it's an exit dive. Yeah, that was a blowing the red light. And that's an exit dive. What was the point of that? Oh, you drive a Subaru, that's why. Ah! Yeah. Do you have fucking stop signs for you, dumb ass? Oh, that's an exit dive. You gonna go? You gonna go? Are you gonna stop? You gonna stop? Mailmen, they all suck. It's illegal off Germany. Seen that one in a while. I'm gonna stop. I don't believe this Mercedes is not going to stop because she tried to force her way through, or force her way out onto me.